Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add a custom cart button in your Shopify store. First, you need to go to your Shopify store. After going there, you have to go to the settings on your bottom left. Click on settings. After that, you have to go to apps and sales channels. Click on that and then go to the Shopify App Store. It will take you to Shopify App Store. Click on search button, type add to cart. You will see several options here. You can choose any of it. I'm going with this one, RT corner ribbon add to cart. After clicking on that, click on install. It will take you to this page, then click on install. After clicking on install, it will be installed. After that, go to the customize app button. You can see here, click on it. After that, scroll down a bit. On your left, you will see somewhat settings here. You have to enter the content here, which will be cart for us. So you will see add to cart option. Then you have to select your ribbon type. You can select it as of you want. I'm going with this one for now. And after that, you can also customize the ribbon position to top left, top right, wherever you want. You can also get the content size from bigger to smaller, how much ever you want. I'm going with the default one. You can also change the color of your ribbon from here. You also can do the content color changes. So you also have several options here to do that. I hope this video has helped you. If it helped, then please like and share our video and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.